Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews. When I'm doing the videos for this channel, I always love looking at boats that's something different, so that whenever it pops up on your YouTube, Facebook, whatever, it's something that's going to stand out. And when I was at the boat show, this one definitely stood out for all the right reasons. This was a 2023 Dek Kat 2680 that was on display at the Daytona Beach Boat Show earlier this year. The boat measures in at 26 feet 2 inches in length. She's got a beam at 8 feet 6, but she's got a draft of only 12 inches. She's got 80 gallons of fuel on board, and she can carry a maximum of 450 horsepower. And I like the fact that Dek Kat are a relatively small company where they work with you on your needs. So it all depends on what your specification is, what the price budget is, and things like that. If power and performance is your key, this one can be paired up with the Mercury V10 and hit speeds close on 70 miles per hour. But it all depends on what sort of day on the water you're looking for. I personally think these would make great boats for inshore fishing and also for inshore tourism, things like going out to see alligators, things like that. Something that's got shallow draft but plenty of room on board for everyone. That shallow draft would also make them ideal for cruising through the Florida Keys. And as I climb up on board, you can get that feeling of just how much space we have, but also the railings on the outside. It helps make it feel safe and secure. On the bow we do have a large trolling motor, and I like the fact that there's a number of live wells on this boat. This is a boat that was designed and built for fishermen by people that enjoy fishing themselves. As I make my way around the boat, there's plenty of handholds, there's plenty of wide deck space. The deck's also got a non-slip deck material on it that works really well. There's also plenty of rod holders. And if I lift that huge sun pad forward, you can see we've got space down here for accessing all your electrics on board, but you could probably fit a toilet in here too. And everything feels so well built on the boat. Whenever you're holding onto the handrail, nothing moves. It's a very, very secure, solid construction. Even look at the design of all the seating that they have here. This could have been a plain basic, just wrapped in leather, but it's not. It's got the design elements to it to just help make this boat stand out even more. Every possible area that can be converted into either a live well or a storage box has been done. This also has got a deck wash system on board. And I like how all the hatch covers have got that lock-in mechanism, so you don't have to worry about them popping open, both when the boat's underway, but also when it's on the trailer getting towed to the next ramp. And this access panel on the transom, you've got plenty of access to the bilges, to your bilge pumps, to all different things like that, but you could also use this as additional storage too, especially for canopy covers and seat covers and things like that. Now at the back of the main helm, you can also see here we've got another live well. There's also more drinks holders. Plenty of solid framework to grab onto, and then we've got the rocket launcher style rod holders up on the T-top too. This particular example has been kitted out with some seriously impressive stereo equipment. You could hold a floating concert on board with this one. Then as I make my way to the helm, I like the fact that the helm does feel centrally located on this boat. That way it's so much easier to keep an eye on everybody on board, but also help navigate the boat whenever you're fishing to make sure that you always keep the boat centrally located and get that catch brought on board. So you've got full access to your engine instrumentation, you've got the Pro trim for the hydraulic jack plate and also the power poles. This one's got a large multifunction display, and I liked how much storage is underneath the helm for all your tackle boxes and things like that. I'm going to include the link to the manufacturer's website in the description of this video. They're a relatively small company, I'm sure not everyone's heard of them, but I was very impressed with this boat. If I was in the market for this sort of thing, this would be high up the list. But as always, I'd love to hear your own thoughts and comments. If you can leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, if you can hit that like and subscribe button, it really does make a difference. And I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.